Well, there has been quite an influx of AI apps lately, which range from apps assisting you to write a report, or even assisting video editors and photographers with editing their work. AI has been progressing alarmingly quickly, and it is now definitely here to stay. And if you're also using AI, no doubt you might have heard of artists starting AI art apps, with that being a hill that they will die on. And you might wonder why artists dislike AI art apps so much. This video will hopefully answer your questions. For the record, while I'm not a big fan of some AI apps, I am not totally against it, as I do use some aspects of it for my work as a video editor. However, as an artist myself, I do dislike AI art apps. So now the big question is, how does AI art apps actually work? Ultimately, all AI apps start with the same basis, machine learning. And AI art apps are no different. These machines are fed artwork from the internet. And with most artists posting their work to their social medias, it is not a hard thing to do for AI machines to find those artworks and learn from it. And when you type a prompt, for example, in an AI art generator, it then pulls from those artworks and combines them in new ways, creating something unique, but based on what it learned from thousands of other pieces. So now the big question of the day, why do artists dislike it so much? There is a big ethic concern here when the topic about AI art apps came up. Artists put years into mastering their craft, developing their own style and perspective. To them, it feels unfair that AI can learn from their work and quickly create something similar without understanding the effort or intention behind it. To be blunt, many artists are of the opinion that AI art apps are merely stealing the work of artists and using the works of various artists, combine it all to create a new work. It's, however, more than just frustration at this point. Art has been about the human experience, capturing emotions, stories, and imagination. Many artists fear that if AI becomes too dominant in the art world, it could make it harder for human artists to find work or for people to appreciate the effort that goes into art. Already, there are lots of AI-generated art floating about on the internet, which is a big slap in the face for artists. If you posted one such art yourself and probably face backlash for doing so from artists, and even wonder why, that is mainly the reason. But here is one area where AI art apps still fall short as compared to an actual human artist's work. AI art is beautiful, that is a fact. However, it lacks a soul, and people feel nothing looking at it. It lacks the depth and emotions that artists' work invoke in people. However, there are still some artists who believe that AI can be a valuable tool, considering that it is definitely here to stay. But that is only if AI developers and creators respect and uplifts the human creativity it learns from. Rather than replacing artists, it could support them by tackling repetitive tasks or offering inspiration, or preserving the heart of art, the human touch. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel. And I also appreciate it if you can support me via my Buy Me a Coffee page. Links are in the description below. See you in the next video.